Most likely you're watching this video because your computer is running with an issue here. As you're trying to open a program you have recently installed, this error arrived. The program can start because OpenAL32.dll is missing from your computer, or the code execution cannot proceed. OpenAL32.dll was not found. These are the exact same problem and it has the exact same solution as well. Hello everyone. Welcome to Tech Evolution. In this very short video, I'll be fixing this error. Before we start, let me thank you for your amazing support in my previous videos, so consider giving me your subscription if the video helps you. So, now with the intro, let's get started. The first method is to download the DLL and place it to the right folders. In order to download the DLL, you need to first open your favorite browser, go to Google and search for OpenAL32.dll. You can choose any relative one. In this case, I'll be choosing the first one. This is not sponsored, but I'll put the link in the description. Here you can see a few download options. If you don't know your computer architecture and version, click on Start and search for system information. Here you can see mine is a 64-bit PC and you can see my version as well. So in this case, I'll be downloading the second one. I strongly recommend you to read this page, that it has other fixing method also. As the download complete, hit open. Inside the downloaded zip, we can see the OpenAL32.dll file. In order to move the DLL, you need to first open this PC. Then local disk C, your system drive, Windows, and find a folder name system32. There it is. Then click on the downloaded zip, drag the DLL and drop, and click on continue to give administrator access. Before we start, let's check if the file is placed. By typing the entire file name, you can see the file is placed in 32-bit folders. So job is done. Finally, restart your computer. Don't try without restarting. This is the summary of the process. This is only applicable if you are a 64-bit user. You need to open this PC one more time. Then your system drive, local disk C, Windows, and find a folder name syswall64. This is the home of 64-bit DLLs. Then click on the downloaded zip, drag the DLL and drop, and click on continue to give administrator access. Check this one more time. By typing the entire file name, you can see the file is placed in 64-bit folder as well. So OpenAL process is done. And finally, restart your computer. This is the summary of the entire process. Every computer is different. In some special cases, if there are 3 occurs, you need to go to Google and search for download OpenAL. Click on the first link and you need to choose the Windows version of your choice. I'll be choosing the second one. And download will start and it will be an easy installation. And that's all. If you follow me step by step, you no longer have that problems left. Consider giving me a super thanks and super chat if the video helps you. And that's all. Let me know if you have any feedback, and do not forget to like and subscribe. Hey, why don't you watch my other videos? Thank you for watching.